I'm going to demonstrate how to prepare the fried bihun with canned stewed pork and cabbage. I grew up eating this fried bihun prepared by my mother. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Heat up the pan. Heat up the oil. So we will add in the chopped garlic and fry until it is fragrant. Add the shredded pork from the can and we stir fry it until all covered with hot oil. We add sliced chicken breast marinated with soya sauce, pepper and corn flour. Stir fry until the chicken changes color, and then add in the cabbage. After that, we will loosen up the vegetable and stir fry it for 1 minute. Notice the cabbage actually shrunk. We will put on the lid for 1 minute. So after 1 minute, we remove the lid and stir fry until the cabbages are soft. Now it's time to add in some liquid. We will pour in the gravy from the can, and this is providing the taste to the dish. Bring all to boil. Add in the pre-soaked rice noodle, and again we combine all the ingredients. I like to use a pair of long chopstick and a ladle to mix in the ingredient. Make sure the rice noodles are well mixed. Add in the shredded carrot. Cover and cook for 2 minutes. After that, remove the lid and mix well again. Put the lid back on. Keep the heat inside and let simmer for 30 seconds. So remove the lid and do the final mix, and we are ready to eat. Enjoy! So if you like, please leave a comment below and do let me know what you think of this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe icon and bell icon next to